We are a company that specializes in optimizing warehouse management systems for large-scale businesses. Our team has extensive experience in implementing and training on various software solutions, such as Manhattan PKMS. We aim to improve operational efficiency by streamlining processes and reducing costs. By leveraging our expertise, companies can increase productivity, reduce errors, and enhance overall performance. Our services include implementation, training, and ongoing support to ensure seamless integration with existing systems. Mastering warehouse efficiency requires more than just basic knowledge of warehouse management systems. It demands expertise, practical skills, and a deep understanding of how to optimize workflows, streamline processes, and drive growth. At Vistasparks Solutions, our expert trainers will guide you through comprehensive training programs designed specifically for Manhattan PKM. Our training focuses on real-world scenarios, hands-on exercises, and live simulations to ensure you master the skills needed to unlock the full potential of this powerful tool. With Vistasparks Solutions, you'll gain the confidence and expertise to take your warehouse operations to the next level. The warehouse management landscape is evolving rapidly due to rising complexity. Digital transformation is changing the way supply chains operate across continents. Consumer expectations for same-day delivery and real-time visibility are driving this change. Modern WMS platforms require skilled professionals who can configure, manage, and optimize them. However, many organizations face a talent gap in this area as they struggle to find qualified personnel. This shortage of skilled workers poses a significant challenge for businesses looking to implement and maintain effective WMS solutions. The challenges faced by various industries such as retail, e-commerce, manufacturing, and logistics are becoming increasingly difficult to manage due to skyrocketing demands and shrinking margins. These sectors are struggling with common pain points including inaccurate inventory management, slow fulfillment times, inefficient labor allocation, and manual, disconnected workflows. As a result, they are experiencing stockouts, overstocking, as well as other issues that hinder their ability to deliver products efficiently and effectively. Furthermore, these problems can lead to reduced productivity, damaged customer trust, and increased costs. Without proper data-driven insights, it becomes challenging to optimize workforce utilization, leading to shrinkage and erosion of profits. The company offers a comprehensive solution for warehouse management that includes implementation, training, and optimization of the Manhattan WMI and PKMS platform. These platforms are designed to streamline operations, optimize inventory levels, and automate various processes, such as inbound and outbound logistics. With expert-led training and automation capabilities, the company helps achieve real-time inventory accuracy, reduces errors, and increases efficiency. By leveraging the full potential of PKMS, businesses can unlock accelerated fulfillment cycles, improve demand forecasting, and enhanced overall performance. The company provides practical scenario-based training to equip supply chain professionals, WMS consultants, and IT specialists with the necessary skills to succeed in today's fast-paced environment. Individual training at Vistasparks Solutions provides expert guidance and hands-on experience with Manhattan PKMS. This type of training empowers your career by providing comprehensive coverage of the system, from fundamental concepts to advanced mastery. Through this type of training, you will gain practical knowledge and skills necessary to excel in your role. The experienced instructors will provide personalized attention and support to ensure you achieve your full potential. With Vistasparks Solutions, you can trust that you will receive high-quality training that meets your unique needs and goals. The comprehensive program offered by Vistasparks Solutions provides supply chain professionals with advanced knowledge and skills in key areas such as warehouse automation, inventory optimization, and order processing. Participants can also benefit from certification assistance and job support, which helps them secure better career opportunities. The flexible scheduling allows participants to attend classes on weekdays and weekends, accommodating different work schedules. Additionally, participants receive lifetime access to training materials, enabling them to continuously learn and grow throughout their careers. This comprehensive approach ensures that participants are well equipped to handle complex challenges in the supply chain industry. Individual training modules provide a comprehensive learning path for those new to Manhattan PKMS or looking to enhance their skill. Our 8-module curriculum covers all critical aspects of the system, including system architecture, inventory management, logistics, labor management, automation, and reporting. Each module builds upon the previous one, allowing learners to progress at their own pace. The modules are structured to take you from system fundamentals to advanced analytics, providing a solid foundation for success in Manhattan PKM operations. By completing these modules, you'll gain a thorough understanding of how to configure, optimize, and utilize the system to drive business results. The Manhattan PKMS platform offers several key features that differentiate it from other warehouse management systems, WMS. One of these features is the ability to integrate with various third-party applications, such as enterprise resource planning, ERP systems, transportation management systems, TMS, and accounting software. This integration enables seamless communication between different systems, allowing for more efficient data exchange and reduced errors. Additionally, the Manhattan PKMS platform provides advanced analytics and reporting tools, which enable users to gain insights into their operations and make informed decisions. These analytics and reports can be used to optimize inventory levels, improve supply chain visibility, and reduce costs. Furthermore, the platform includes a range of automated workflows and business processes, which can automate routine tasks and free up staff time for more strategic activities. The platform also supports multiple languages and currencies, making it an ideal choice for global businesses. The system architecture encompasses various components, including platform setup, data flows, and infrastructure. Defining bins, zones, locations, and physical layouts is crucial for optimizing warehouse operations. User roles and access control are vital aspects of the system. By configuring role-based access control and security profiles, users can ensure seamless integration with other systems, such as ERP and TMS. Effective inventory management is critical to maintaining accurate and efficient use of warehouse space. Implementing effective tracking and replenishment systems enables businesses to minimize stockouts and overstocking, which reduces waste and excess inventory. Automated replenishment triggers ensure that products are restocked when they reach a certain level, while scheduled cycle counts identify discrepancies between actual and expected inventory levels. Velocity-based classification allows for more precise categorization of inventory items based on sales velocity, which enables better forecasting and decision-making. By leveraging these tools, organizations can optimize their inventory management processes, leading to improved operational efficiency and reduced costs. The module focuses on inbound logistics and receiving processes. This includes cross-docking and direct-to-reverse (DTR) flows. The goal is to optimize these processes to minimize handling times and maximize storage space. To achieve this, the module covers advanced strategies such as putting away goods efficiently and managing supplier returns. It also delves into the specifics of processing purchase orders and managing automated disposition rules. By understanding how to apply these strategies, organizations can streamline their supply chain operations and improve overall efficiency. The company has implemented a new system for order fulfillment that utilizes wave planning to optimize order release and shipping windows. The system uses batch and zone strategies to automate sorting, packing, labeling, and picking labor. This automation enables efficient order processing and timely delivery. To achieve this, the company has tailored its picking strategy to match its specific product mix and carrier schedules. As a result, the company has seen significant improvements in on-time delivery rates. The implementation of the new system was not without challenges. However, the benefits far outweighed the costs. The system has streamlined processes, reduced errors, and increased productivity. The company's ability to manage large volumes efficiently has also been enhanced. With the new system, the company can now process orders more accurately and quickly, resulting in improved customer satisfaction. The key to success lies in the effective management of the picking process. This involves closely monitoring and adjusting the picking schedule to meet changing demand patterns. Additionally, the company must carefully plan and execute its carrier scheduling to ensure seamless integration with the picking process. By doing so, the company can maintain a high level of service quality while minimizing costs. The company's experience with the new system has provided valuable insights into the importance of flexibility in order fulfillment. Flexibility allows the company to adapt to changes in demand patterns and market conditions. Furthermore, it enables the company to respond quickly to unexpected disruptions in the supply chain. In conclusion, the company's decision to implement the new system has been a sound one, and it continues to reap the benefits of improved efficiency and productivity. The company has been working on improving its productivity through various initiatives, such as task interleaving and real-time shift management. The goal is to increase productivity while reducing costs. One of the key strategies is to analyze the current state of labor productivity and identify areas for improvement. To do this, the company uses data-driven tools like Manhattan PKMS. These tools allow managers to track labor productivity and make informed decisions about how to allocate resources. By analyzing labor productivity, the company aims to reduce costs associated with underutilization of resources and improve overall efficiency. The company also plans to implement a new scheduling system that will allow for more flexible scheduling options and better resource allocation. The new system will be based on real-time data and analytics, enabling managers to make data-driven decisions about staffing levels and resource allocation. The company believes that these changes will lead to increased productivity and reduced costs. The company has been working on integrating its Manhattan PKMS solution with other cutting-edge technologies. The integration will enable the creation of a fully automated intelligent warehouse ecosystem. The automation will be achieved through the use of advanced technologies, such as barcode, RFID, and IoT robotics. The automation will also include the use of AI-powered robots to automate tasks. The integration will allow for efficient time item tracking and workflow optimization. The company's goal is to provide a comprehensive platform that supports real-time decision-making, enabling businesses to scale their operations efficiently. The Manhattan PKMS system provides a range of tools for managing warehouse operations. These include real-time tracking of shipments and inventory levels, automated reporting and analytics, and customizable dashboards. The system also includes advanced features such as predictive analytics and machine learning algorithms to help optimize warehouse operations. The company provides customized training programs for corporate clients. These programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each client. The training covers various topics such as project management, marketing, human resources, and finance. The training is delivered by experienced trainers who use a variety of teaching methods, including lectures, group discussions, and hands-on exercises. The training is designed to equip participants with the necessary skills and knowledge to implement these topics effectively in their own organizations. The training is typically conducted over several days or weeks, depending on the complexity of the topic and the number of participants. The training is highly interactive, allowing participants to engage with the material and ask questions. The training is also highly flexible, accommodating different learning styles and abilities. The training is offered in multiple formats, including classroom instruction, online courses, and self-paced learning modules. The training is designed to be comprehensive and thorough, covering all aspects of the topic. The training is highly effective, resulting in significant improvements in productivity and efficiency. The training is also highly cost-effective, making it an attractive option for businesses looking to invest in employee development. The training is offered at a competitive price, making it accessible to a wide range of clients. The training is highly customizable, allowing clients to tailor the content to their specific needs. The training is also highly supported, providing ongoing assistance and resources to help clients achieve their goals. The training is offered by experienced professionals who are passionate about helping businesses succeed. The training is highly regarded, receiving praise from satisfied clients. The training is also highly recommended, being a valuable resource for businesses looking to improve their performance. The company provides comprehensive training programs for warehouse management systems, WMS. These programs are tailored to meet the specific needs of each organization. The training covers various aspects of warehouse operations, including inventory management, order fulfillment, and supply chain logistics. The training also includes hands-on exercises and simulations to help participants develop practical skills. Additionally, the company offers ongoing support to ensure that clients achieve long-term benefits from their WMS investments. The training approach focuses on real-world scenarios, allowing participants to develop practical skills and knowledge. The goal of the training is to equip participants with the necessary skills to manage warehouses efficiently and effectively. Vistasparks Solutions provides expert guidance on implementing and training for Manhattan PKMS. The team has extensive hands-on experience with this technology. Practical learning experiences are provided through real-world project assignments and live simulations. Learners can select from various flexible delivery modes that accommodate different learning paces. Certification and job assistance are offered to aid career advancement. Comprehensive end-to-end support is available to ensure a smooth integration process. Manhattan PKMS offers a comprehensive training program that provides certification-ready expertise in automation and process optimization. The training is backed by Vistasparks' proven training methodology, which ensures that participants gain practical knowledge and skills. Participants will learn how to design and implement efficient workflows, manage data and analytics, and optimize business processes. With Manhattan PKMS, teams can automate manual tasks, eliminate bottlenecks, and improve productivity. The training covers topics such as supply chain management, inventory control, and logistics optimization. By the end of the training, participants will have the skills and knowledge needed to implement these processes in their own organizations. We are pleased to present to you a comprehensive overview of Vistasparks Solutions. Our team has worked tirelessly to provide you with a detailed analysis of our services and solutions. We believe that our offerings will be of great value to your organization as they align perfectly with your needs and goals. Our goal is to assist you in achieving your objectives, whether it be increasing productivity. We offer a wide range of services including project management, IT, consulting, and business process outsourcing. Our team of experts is dedicated to providing exceptional service and support to ensure your success. We are confident that our solutions will meet your expectations and exceed them. We look forward to the opportunity to work with you and contribute to your organization's growth and development.